So after you log into your dashboard, you're going to go to the calendar over on the left-hand side here, and you'll have to click on Find Appointment. It's not going to show up in your monthly or weekly view if you have any available appointments. And from the drop down here, you can choose from any of your classes that have posted an appointment option. Click on Submit. And now any of the appointment slots that are available that your teacher has created are going to show up on your calendar like this. Once you find a time that you'd like to sign up for, you can click on it. And there should be some details and information here, perhaps a Zoom link. If you want to let your teacher know what the meeting is for, you can write something in the comments and then click on Reserve. You'll have to click on Close over on the right-hand side again in order to see that appointment showing up now on your monthly and your weekly view. If you need to change your appointment for any reason, you can click on it and also unreserve, and it will notify your teacher. And now this calendar is looking pretty blank, but once we get back into the swing of things this semester, all of your assignments are also going to show up on your calendar. So in order to make this a little more easy to look at, you can unclick all of your other classes, and those assignments and other appointments will all go away, and you can focus on one thing at a time. So just to review, when you're looking for a time slot to see a teacher, you'll click on Find Appointment and choose the class from the drop down. And not all teachers are going to be using the calendar appointments for their support time. So you should reach out to any of your teachers that you need help from to see how you can get in contact with them. But now you know one way that you could set up an appointment via Canvas.